Stop. Wait. You qualified for an instant massive discount. Look, this is the only reason I'm going to make this video is because this kind of tool, which is on the cheap and cheerful end of the spectrum for 19 bucks, is dangerous to anyone that buys it. Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. You can see right here on the screen, we're looking at RankZPresso. This is a pop-up that you're going to get when you land on the sales page. So this is the sales page right here. New revolutionary point-and-click cloud-based app. Helps you hack rankings. Helps you hack video rankings and generate massive and free traffic. Get an insane amount of free and rapid traffic from Google and YouTube. Look, here's the deal. You can buy all the ZPresso stuff you want, and it's okay to play with. The Shopify store, the little PDF maker is going to lock content on your website. I mean, keep going down the list of all these ZPresso tools that are coming out. But this one, RankZPresso, is going to crush, kill, destroy all of your hard work if you connect this to your YouTube account and you try to use these backlinks. Okay? You do not need backlinks to rank in Google. Ranking on the first page of Google is only the first challenge. Actually, it's a very simple challenge. YouTube awards you for watch time. So once you rank, which is almost immediately, especially for longer tail keywords that people are looking for, you can rank almost immediately, or you can get really high up in the search rankings. And then of course, after even if you don't make it into the first page, you can still land in the suggestion pane. And this is the way normal, regular people build a YouTube channel. This is the way it works. A tool like this is going to destroy, listen, destroy all of your hard work. Now, let me show you what I mean. So here we go. We're going to jump into RankZPresso, the app. You have your dashboard, my videos, my channel, thumbnail spy, title generator, description generator, tag generator, keyword generator, rank checker, trending videos. There's nothing wrong with any of that stuff whatsoever. Okay? You got vidIQ, you got TubeBuddy, you got Morning Fame, 3 tools that I use. It allows you to do all that kind of stuff, to give you ideas, to show you keywords, things that people are searching for, to show you your potential to rank for that keyword, right? To give you keyword suggestions, right? How to optimize your title, how to optimize all your metadata for your YouTube channel, for your video, to help it to rank. All good stuff. This right here on the screen, Link Builder, backlinks are extremely important to rank your site. To rank your site, yes, in Google they matter. If you're talking about ranking a website, good, organic, high-value backlinks are very valuable, okay? But you do not build those with a tool. And I'm going to show you something inside of Google support that says exactly what I'm saying, so I'm not making this up just to razz on RankZPresso. I'm trying to save you and all your hard work that you've put into your YouTube channel from being destroyed. Link Builder. This tool lets you build backlinks to your videos without any hard work, super fast. Put in your video URL, number of backlinks. Up to 300 backlinks that are just going to be randomly spread out all over the internet from sites that you don't even know. You don't even know what authority they have. You don't know anything about that site, and it's just going to be spam. It's going to be backlinks that are going to have to be disavowed, which is going to cause you more work and more trouble in the long run trying to just tear down the links that a tool like this builds. If your site is starting to rank and you're starting to see a little bit of momentum and you're getting that hockey stick and you're starting to grow organically, if you connect this tool, RankZPresso, with this link builder to your site, let me show you what's going to happen. And I'm not just pulling this out of thin air. I'm going to show you some resources that totally agree with what I'm saying. That's going to save you a lot of heartache. So this is Search Engine Journal right here. This is 10 things not to do when you're getting backlinks. Number 10, links built by automatic link building programs. Ever heard of tools like GSA or Search Engine Ranker, Scrapebox, or XRunner? Sure, these tools can build lots of links. However, in recent years, these programs have become less effective. This SEO professional does not recommend using these programs for SEO efforts, especially not on your money site. I'll say it again and I'll highlight it. Especially not on your money site. If an SEO can think of it, it is likely that Google has already several steps that Google is already several steps ahead with pattern variations already built into their algorithm. They're hunting these, they're searching for them. So you think a $19 product sold on Warrior Plus that was developed in probably about 2 or 3 months of some really bad coding is going to be ahead of Google and their algorithm that they're spending millions, if not billions of dollars to develop all the time to hunt and search for things like this to make sure that people are getting the content that they want and need. Okay? Now that's Search Engine Journal. Let's go straight to the source. Let's go straight to Google. Search Console, Help Center, Guidelines, Quality Guidelines, Link Schemes. Let me read that again for you. Link Schemes. This is support.google.com. Look, go right to the source. Support.google.com. Link schemes. Any links intended to manipulate page rank or site rankings in Google search results may be considered part of a link scheme and a violation of Google's Webmaster Guidelines. This includes any behavior that manipulates the links to your site or outgoing links from your site. The following are examples of link schemes which can negatively impact a site's ranking and search results. Building or selling links that pass PageRank. Excessive link exchanges. Link to me and I'll link to you. Sub for sub in U-term language. Large-scale article marketing. Using automated programs or services to create links to your site. Again, this is specifically referring to SEO inside of Google terminology for Google, but Google owns YouTube and YouTube does the same thing. So using automated programs or services to create links to your site, links to your video, automated programs or services. Google is already on top of this. They're already looking for this. Search Engine Journal, that article was written in 2019. So the ability to build all these backlinks, all these different platforms, right? Any niche. So to pick a niche and just to blast 300 backlinks, and you don't even know like how those backlinks are going to look, what they're going to say, and then they're just going to be blasted to your profile. No. Again, Search Engine Journal. Links built by automatic link building programs. Don't do it. Google. Search Console Help. Guidelines, quality guidelines, link schemes, using automated programs or services to create links to your site. Again, RankZPresso, I don't care about all the ZPresso stuff. I'm here to tell you that if you use this tool on a money-making site that you spent your time building on a site that is showing progress and momentum, it is showing real possibility and potential, you're going to lose it all. The other tools inside of here, thumbnail spy, tag generator, keyword generator, rank checker, trending videos, backlink reports, right? Those may provide a little bit of value to you, but do yourself a favor. vidIQ, TubeBuddy, Morning Fame. If you've never heard of them and you're on YouTube, stop, go right now, just stop watching this video, open up a new tab, close this video, I don't care. Go look up Morning Fame, TubeBuddy, vidIQ. All right. Now, as a marketer and a person that makes money as an affiliate marketer, I want to show you why you're going to see a lot of people pushing this RankZPresso product and they're going to be touting the sales page. And again, generate massive free traffic, ideal for newbies, even for intermediate marketers. Rank and bank the easy way without complications. No prior experience, no setup, no download. Generate unlimited free traffic with a few clicks of your mouse. Again, don't get caught up in the hype of the sales page. If you want to buy this, go for it. But please, do not use the backlinks. It's going to destroy your channel. Okay, so now, as a marketer, as a person that watches this channel, and the person I'm talking to right now is not the end consumer. So if you are a consumer, if you're a person that buys these types of products, this is why you keep getting emails from everyone. Maybe even from emails from people that you trust. You might want to rethink that, but I'm going to show you the funnel. And the funnel is all the options, everything that's going to be for sale when you buy the front end of this. This is the front end product. This is the front end of RankZPresso. Front end, $19. You purchase that, then you're going to get another offer for $67. Another offer for $39, $197, $197, $14.97, $47, $450, $57. An affiliate is going to make 50% commission on all those offers. So if you or someone else goes through this entire funnel, you can add all that up. I'm not going to do the math for you. This is why you are going to see this ranking super high on YouTube and $30,000 worth of bonuses. This is why you're going to get emails continuously. This is why you're going to see posts on Facebook about this and Facebook groups, again, for marketers that you may trust. Again, you might want to rethink that, but this is the funnel. So the front end is $19. That gets you the basic tool. Then you can go into the pro levels, the toolkit, the agency license, the white label license, right? Done for you traffic. Well, if this is going to give you all the free traffic that you want, why do you need to pay $57 for more done for you traffic? Because this is just a tool that looks good and is shiny for the brand new marketer who thinks that they need a little bit of help, or to think that they don't need to do any work on YouTube to get their videos ranked, clicked on, and watched. Again, ranking YouTube videos is not the issue. Getting them clicked and watch time is the issue. So go back, do your research again. Morning Fame, vidIQ, TubeBuddy. Check those out for all the features that you see inside of here about title generator, description generator, tags, keyword generator, rank checkers, and all these reports. But this link builder, again, straight from Google. Link schemes, automated programs or services to create links to your site are considered link schemes, and Google will slap you and YouTube will destroy your channel. They will penalize your channel, if not just close your channel altogether and delete it from the interwebs. All right, if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you got a comment about this product or anything else in the ZPresso line, drop a comment in the comments below. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.